Haiti's cry for help has brought massive mobilizations by large and experienced relief organizations, but it has also touched something inside many individuals who are equipped with only their hearts and a determination to make a difference. Also in Port-au-Prince tonight is NBC's Michelle Kaczynski with that story.
If you've ever wondered what one person could possibly do when the world turned upside down, here is Alain Armand.
What is the bottleneck to get the doctors on the plane?
This unassuming American lawyer, whose parents in Florida escaped Haiti during the Duvalier years, watched at home with his family until he could take it no longer.
Oh, it's killing me. You're watching people picking rock by rock, digging, trying to get somebody out from under a building, and it's like, sorry.
I'm so sorry. It's okay.
And I just I can't sit here and watch this. I've got two hands too.
So he went with only a backpack and BlackBerry. Now a lifeline. Through his Twitter account, The Haitian, strangers began guiding him.
I need hospital near Fontamara that can provide amputations right away. Help me find one.
He gets word there's an American citizen very sick and out of medication, and finds her. Next stop, the army, to get her out.
So she's got hypertension, diabetes, she can't walk, and she's looking pretty bad out in front.
Each day, something. At the hospital, as a desperately needed translator.
Don't touch it hard, it hurts you.
And on the road, 2 hours to find a girl whose visa was stolen. He's bringing documents. Little impacts, largely felt.
You can have an impact, everything you do. One rock, one piece of rubble, one meal to somebody.
Like Ghislaine Valmet, passport in hand, taken for treatment to be flown to the U.S. to her son. You may be saving this woman's life right now.
Maybe. Who knows, right?
9 days. Nobody could get her but you.
A little persistence, I don't know. A little persistence.
One person, one deed at a time. Michelle Kaczynski, NBC News, Port-au-Prince.